Water New South Wales is upgrading the 3 embankment dams of Lake Cargelligo in the state's central west. Lake Cargelligo is an offline storage in the Lachlan River system. The embankments were built in the early 1900s and provide water for town supply, irrigation and recreation. The embankments are over 100 years old and have deteriorated over this time. In their current state, the dams are more vulnerable to failure and need an upgrade to comply with modern engineering standards. Some of the key risks include internal erosion, overtopping from wave erosion, and tree root decay weakening the embankment. Internal erosion or piping is when water seeps through the dam embankment, carrying soil away with it. If the seepage discharges at the downstream side of the embankment, a long cavity or piping may erode back into the embankment, which we often can't see. Overtopping from wave erosion occurs when the lake is full and waves driven by the wind wash across the crest of the structure. This can result in the top of the embankment gradually eroding over time. As they decay, tree roots can weaken the embankment by creating a path for water to flow, which can cause internal erosion, while fallen trees can dislodge parts of the embankment. Over time, this can lead to a breach or embankment failure, with the risk being higher when storage levels increase. Large trees and vegetation also hide potential damage and make it harder to detect issues quickly. So, as part of the works, we will need to remove them. Our contractors will remove trees along the embankments by stripping the branches and clearing leaf litter. They will cut the trees down to a stump and pull these out using an excavator. For tree roots larger than 20 millimetres in diameter, they will dig a trench, which they will fill and compact with topsoil once they have removed the roots. To protect the embankment dams from failure, we will use a filter buttress to allow the water within the embankments to drain. A soil zone will also help stabilise the embankments. Crushed rock on the upstream face will add a layer of protection against external erosion and provide a road surface on top of the embankments for maintenance vehicles. By stabilising and strengthening the embankments, we will ensure they continue to function effectively for the long term. As the upgrade works involve excavating beneath the dam's foundation level, there is an increased risk of embankment failure. To minimise the safety risk, we will be lowering the storage levels in the lakes. We will do this during the autumn and winter months when demand is lower. We will release the water back into the Lachlan River and, if possible, it will be allocated to Lower Lachlan customers and the environment. The final design and environmental assessment of the embankment dam upgrades is almost complete, with final reviews and checks to be undertaken. The project team looks forward to further engaging with the Lake Cargelligo community to provide an update before construction begins. If you have any questions or would like more information on this project, please call the project team on 1300 662 077 or visit WaterNSW.com.au.